Hello from Cboe Global Markets. I am your host, Jermal Chandler, and this is Volatility 411 for Tuesday, June 25th. The S&P 500 is down for the third consecutive session as U.S. officials are trying to quell expectations ahead of the G20 meeting, where the U.S. and Chinese presidents are expected to meet. Currently, as I stand here, SPX futures are down 8 points to 29.37, while the VIX Index, on the other hand, is up half a point to 15.71. To be honest, folks, we have a lot going on here underneath the surface of this market. The 10-year Treasury yield has slipped back below 2%. This ahead of a speech that Federal Reserve Chair Powell will be giving Tuesday afternoon. Accordingly, we have seen the 10-year note volatility increase on the TY VIX, which uses Cboe's well-known VIX methodology to measure a constant 30-day expected volatility of 10-year Treasury note futures prices. There are escalating tensions between the U.S. and Iran against the possibility of OPEC extending production cuts. Gold is seeing its highest levels in 6 years. It is often believed that gold is the asset that investors turn to in times of economic duress. So just a lot going on here. What have we seen for equity volatility? Well, the VIX Index, except for 2 trading sessions, has closed at a reading of 15 or higher over the past month. The VIX term structure is currently in contango. July VIX futures are trading 16.29, with August futures trading 4% higher at just under 17. VIX options paper has seemed to change its tune between late yesterday and early today's session. We have seen July call buyers. There was a buyer at the close yesterday of standard July 19 call for 67.5 cents on 10,000 contracts. Today, we saw a buyer of the standard July 28 call for 17 cents on 20,000 contracts. So it would appear that there are some traders bracing for volatility as we head into the G20 weekend. In addition to G20, as we wrap up here, traders are, as I mentioned earlier, will be keeping a close eye on the Powell speech on monetary policy this afternoon in New York. We had a huge $63 billion biopharmaceutical merger this morning with AbbVie planning to acquire Allergan, the maker of Botox. And after the close of the day, we have earnings from Micron and FedEx. FedEx, of course, recently severed its ties with Amazon, and as of today has filed a lawsuit against the U.S. government over the trade war. Fun. That's my time.